old katanya.
Yeah.
Gitu. Okay.
Yeah. And maybe he will run. You see her?
Raining.
Yeah, he will come in her raining.
Okay. Okay, just maybe you are sit some place there, and then we will starting talking like that because they need the information from you. Okay.
You want this place?
Yeah. Okay, just sit.
This place.
No.
What you want?
I mean just near area. Maybe there is some place you sit like that. Baba, listen to me. Inta daw to hada makan jaat fi, okay?
Okay, no problem. I don't like hasid.
Tahu nggak mbak, iki wonge ngeyel loh,
Di sana masih siang ya?
Iya, masih siang, makanya perbedaan. Okay, Baba, I will telling you this is Pika. Okay, the name right there you can see. This is Pika and this is Ulia. This is Sri, Indra and Fatima. Okay.
Yeah.
They asking you some question about your country, about everything. Maybe I will give to them some time to starting. Ini nanti di record ya nak. Kalian record ya. Ya kan? Ya. Oke. Kita mulai. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kita mulai. Siapa yang mau bertanya duluan? Kalau misalnya nanti suami saya nggak ngerti bahasa Inggrisnya apa, saya translate ke dia dan saya translate in English with you. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
The one will asking the first. Indra maybe?
Yeah.
Gak usah malu, Indra. Tenang aja, dia juga sama. Dia juga bahasa Inggrisnya belepotan juga.
Mikrofonnya hidupin.
Hidupnya mikrofonnya.
Belum.
Okay. Oh ya udah nih. My question is, tell me about your culture on your country. Dasar.
Okay. Kultur what? Maksudnya kultur yang kayak mana yang pengen Indra tahu?
Tribal.
Kind of culture. No. What is it?
Ini about wait. But moral values. Kultur moral.
Oh, characters. Characteristics the people there. Okay. Okay, Baba. I will. Indra asking you. You can tell or you can give yani entah hikayah about your character Egyptian people there, how they are very hard or they are polite or like that. What?
No, this has some different. Some people are there in Egypt. Some people had there have يعني easy. Somebody يعني different. يعني أو typical some have body there. يعني not all. يعني same any country.
Oh.
Yeah, same any country. يعني في somebody joking, somehow joking. في somehow very hard for her talking. Maybe he will if her talking how is you, he will come fighting together.
Okay.
Yeah, different. Yeah, somehow any country. See somebody smiling, joking like this. He somehow very hard for her talking. Yeah. Next.
Next.
Wait, I guess you get the point, Indra. He said in Egypt country the people the same with Indonesia. There is some people introvert people and extrovert people. Okay, he mean maybe if you see the people from Egypt, maybe if they are talking very hard. They are talking like angry, but they have some what is it? Some kind of people. They're also polite. You understand what I
got
said?
it, Miss. I got it.
Yeah, and see some people not like her joking. See somebody if her joking together, not like her joking.
Okay.
Not alike. Yeah.
Thank you.
This is character for her anybody. Yeah.
This is character for anybody there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, baby, another. Maybe mungkin dari kalian ada yang mau nanya kalau perkawinan di sana seperti apa?
Ya,
Misalnya cara ngelamar cewek itu kayak apa? Kan beda.
Ya.
Ada beda-bedanya di. Tapi talking in English, I will explain to him. Okay? Saya jelasin nanti ke dia. Next, mungkin Pika or Sri or Ulia?
Pika dulu aja.
Pika, okay Pika. Next Pika.
How is education here, Miss? Education.
Sir, Mr. Haikam.
Yes.
Miss Pika asking you, how about education there? Means in your country, what kind education majority they are learn in the school? I mean, maybe about religion also, or there is some some special active education there in Egypt. How like that?
You're trying again this question.
Okay, this question. She asking you about how education in Egypt. What kind of education? Like in Indonesia, you know, here we are have education maksus or special for religion.
No.
And also there is some education for technician or for vocational school like that. You know vocational school, ya, Ba? For example, you are learn about administration, right? Office administration.
Some high school have some high school have this have for high government. Okay, but has two. One have special and one have for her government. This has special. He will learn how there English. Any thing inside her English. Okay.
You mean?
But
you mean?
Yeah.
You mean like this? There is two kind of education. About there is a government school and there is private school, right?
Yeah, private school and international school. International school, but these are very expensive. He will have him buy her dollar or her sterling like this.
Okay.
International school.
Okay, but the school the same in Indonesia or no? We are in Indonesia. There is elementary school. There is junior high school. There is.
Same. Yeah, same. Same how there.
Oke.
For all her word has, yeah.
Oke. Pika, tanya sama dia, berapa tahun kalau SD, elementary? Tanya sama dia, berapa tahun? Apa mungkin sama, mungkin beda ya nggak? Berapa tahun kalau di junior? Berapa tahun kalau di senior di Egypt? Berapa tahun belajar? Coba. Pika asking you again.
Sir?
Yes.
How many years? How many years?
How many years meaning elementary school?
How many years?
How many years for what?
In elementary school.
Yeah. This have first 6 years. 6 years. Okay. And next for her 3 years. And her 3 years. This for her school. يعني 12 years. 12 years.
Jadi 12 tahun.
Yeah.
12 years.
Yeah.
12 years. School from elementary until senior high school, right?
Yes. This high school. After this college, 4 years. 4 years.
4 tahun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You get the point, Miss Pika? You understand what he is explaining to you?
Yes, Miss.
Enough. Okay. Good. The next, we will going to Miss Pidia. You will asking something, Miss Pidia? Maybe about the food, about in Fitri maybe, or any celebration in Egypt like that. Gini loh nak, saya jelasin ya. Jadi di Egypt itu, ada juga seperti kita perayaan-perayaan. Oke? Di Egypt itu mayoritas orangnya orang Islam, juga orang Kristen. Banyak orang Kristen di Egypt itu. Jadi kalau Kristennya di sana, dia tampak seperti Muslim, itu ortodoks ya mereka. Dan setiap tahun itu ada perayaan mereka. Kalau kita di negara-negara lain kan Natal ya. Kalau mereka enggak, justru ada namanya perayaan kalau kita itu kenaikan Isa Al-Masih, justru dirayain di sana sebagai hari besar orang Kristen di sana. Coba tanya, berapa agama yang banyak ada di sana? Coba about religion. Coba tanya about religion di Egypt itu kayak apa? Ada apa aja? Selain Islam, Kristen, apalagi gitu? Ada. Coba Miss Pidia atau Miss Sri will asking like this.
Maybe Sri dulu, Miss.
Tapi pertanyaannya bukan itu, Miss.
Oke, simple, no problem, Miss Sri. Like seperti ini kamu nanyanya. Berapa sih agama orang sana itu? Ada berapa agama gitu loh di sana? Bisa, boleh tanya kayak gitu.
Terus, Miss.
Apakah orang Mesir tuh makan nasi? Gitu dong, boleh juga ya kan?
Apakah Mesir suka pedas itu?
Iya, apakah orang Mesir itu ada cabai pedas sampai ini Miss Dewi kalau pergi ke sana itu harus bawa sambal terasi gitu sama cabai rawit gitu loh. Tanya sama dia. Dia ketawa udah tuh, karena dia udah tahu terasi itu apaan. Tanya sama dia. Coba Sri.
Miss,
aja.
Suka durian nggak, Miss? Berapanya, Miss?
Okay. Sir, Mr. Indra asking you, did you ever try durian? You like durian or no? Durian.
I try one time. I trying her one time, but I don't like.
Why? What's the reason? Why you don't like it?
This smell not nice for me. Not nice for me. This smell not nice for me.
Okay. How about the taste? How about the taste, the fruits? It's sweet or
Yeah, nice, nice. يعني little.
Sweet, but it's
But I like Durogan. Durogan is okay.
not
Pineapple is
Dorogan.
okay.
They are not understand, not Dorogan. Tell in Indonesia naga, buah naga,
What
dragon, dia bilang Dorogan.
Dorogan.
Oh, okay. I will tell Mr. Indra. So, my husband, Mr. Haisam, my husband name Haisam, okay? Mr. Haisam, he doesn't like durian because the first time he eat durian, the smell is very, very strong. Okay? It makes he is headache. Untung aja nggak pingsan, okay? Gara-gara durian dia untung nggak pingsan, okay? And then another fruit he trying is buah naga ya. Buah naga kan dragon fruits ya.
Dragon fruit.
Ya, dragon fruits. He like it. Dia suka dragon fruits. And the other one he like it sawo. Dia suka sawo.
Ya,
Jadi
sawo.
dia udah pesen sama saya ini mau pergi ke pesisir ini. Mau bawain dia dragon sama sawo. Siapa yang musim sawo nanti kontak aku ya. Dia mau sawo.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Another maybe 3 you asking about food makanan di sana.
Food? Okay, me?
Okay, Baba. Wait, because let Miss Sri or Miss Ulia or Miss Fatima or Miss Pidia will asking you something.
Okay.
Yeah. What?
Miss Ulia.
Yes.
What is the typical food in your country?
Food?
Typical, you know? Kind. What kind of food that akil ya Baba. Aluan akil udah kalau Mesir mungkin virus, bread, inta telling about the food akil.
Yeah. Same how in all our this rice and vegetable, meat, fish, chicken, dog, bird, anything. But have some have food are different. يعني different have from Asia.
From Asia. Okay, what kind?
Yeah.
What kind is the food is different from Asian country? What is it?
Yeah, يعني this for this name of يعني tempeh. This have soya sauce. This soya. This not have this there in Egypt.
Okay.
This come from outside, and have some have vegetable. This have come from outside. يعني this have come this have come from outside. Not have planting there.
Okay.
But any have vegetable there in Egypt, and you live there 5 years. You don't know how kind of vegetable. How can I cook there? Yeah.
Not me.
Okay. You live there 5 years. You don't know. You don't know in how market outside.
Okay. Listen to me, sir.
Yeah.
They won't trying your English because I know you not really English like me, okay? Dia itu bahasa Inggrisnya little. Okay? So I'm more English than him and then I'm more Arabic than him. I'm not Arabic, but I can speak Arabic. You cannot speak Indonesia. That's why.
How I do? What I do? If somebody has not teach me. How I do?
Nobody will
I go to Philippines. Teach me.
No.
I go to Philippines. How?
Okay, Miss Ulia, I will a little bit explain in English also, so we all learn together. Okay, kita kan belajar sama-sama ya. We learn together. Okay, I will explain based on his explanation. So in Egypt, there is a lot of vegetables, fruits, and food. The same in Indonesia. But some food not planting there. Nggak ada tumbuhan di sana. Example, dia bilang, kangkung, because he like kangkung. Jadi dia suka kangkung itu. Kangkung and tempe. He said we don't have soya bean untuk bahan tempe dia nggak ada. But in Egypt, majority for the food itu bentuknya adalah biji-bijian. So it's like grain, okay? For example, kalau kita bilang ada kacang polong, ya kan? Yeah. Kacang polong. Terus kalau kalian tahu, mungkin kalian pernah lihat kacang Arab ya. Kalau bahasa Inggrisnya kan chickpea. Chickpea itu dimasak, itu pokoknya bentuknya biji-bijian. It's all about grain. So it cook like that. Kalau daging, meat ya sama. There is cow or beef. There is a goat or lamb ya, kambing ya. There is also chicken. There is also kalau kita bilang kalkun ya, ada kalkun juga seperti itu. Pokoknya a lot of, termasuk including ubi ya, atau umbi-umbian, termasuk including taro ya. Yeah. Taro ada di situ, taro. Mereka cook taro, dimasak like a soup. Okay? Right, Baba? You know taro, Baba? Ul-es. In Arabic, ul-es, they cook it seperti sup makannya, dipotong-potong lendir-lendiran gitu loh. Seperti itu. Okay, it's about the food. Okay, the other asking maybe? Coba, mungkin ada yang pengen tanya gimana kalau tata cara di sana pertunangan atau apa? Kan itu about culture kan? Yeah. Mungkin ada yang pengen tanya kayak Sir? Nanti aku yang jelasin, dia mah nggak bisa ngejelasin. Yes. Explain-nya susah dia, malah aku yang
Miss.
Iniin ya. Oke, boleh?
How to get acquainted and get married in Egypt? Kayak bagaimana sih cara perkenalan dan pernikahan di Egypt gitu, Miss?
Oke. Baba, how about engagement between boy and girls in Egypt?
Yeah.
They mean the what is it, the step or the what in Arabic tarika zay.
Yes, first time he will go to have visit this family of her girl. Okay. He will have talking her together. Okay. Family together. Okay. And he will asking her where her work like this, you have a house or no, like this, some question. Because in Egypt, this man, he will give to her this house, or not house, this apartment. Okay. And her first time he will read her al-Fatiha together, because it's okay together. He will have married. First time he will read al-Fatiha. Okay. And next time visit to her, and he buy her some gold. What he like, he go to her shop. And what you like her for her gold, ring, how to like any girl. Yeah. Okay. Next, he will make her party. But her first time, he will make her party for this wedding her party. Okay. But this between this, he will make her buy her for NATO, for house like this. Okay. But in Egypt, it's half to half. For all half for NATO inside this house, half to half. Half to for a girl, half to for this man. This material in Egypt. Normal.
Okay, wait.
Half to half.
For this, I cut little bit because I will ask about half to half. Okay. Jadi, so if the people in Egypt they know each other between boy and girl, okay, they will. Bentar dulu, nak. Mama lagi online sama teman-teman Mama, okay? Hadi, how are you? After talk, okay? Because I still online here, okay? My brother. Your brother talk another line, okay? Wait. Jadi, so mana kita? Bang, kesana dulu. Nggak bisa jelasin, bener ini. Interruption kita, adik. Jadi kalau if the girl and boy, kalau country-nya sama, the same Egyptian, right? About half to half. You said half to half. But me and my husband, saya kan orang Indonesia, and then my husband is Egyptian. Dia nggak nanya saya half to half, harus bayar 50% untuk isi dalam rumah apartemen nanti ketika si girl or boy itu menikah. Gitu, nak. Jadi paham kan? Jadi maksudnya mereka akan berbagi setengah-setengah untuk mengisi isi rumahnya ketika sudah perjanjian mereka akan menikah, seperti itu. Itu di Egypt. Jadi kalau ada cewek kenalan, itu dikenalinnya mungkin orang tua sama orang tua. So maybe the friend, they are asking the friend to give them to know about the family like that. Okay, wait ya, sebentar, anak saya lagi ribut bener nih sama Dayana.
Yeah.
Sorry guys ya, pindah soalnya dia itu anak saya lagi ngobrol sama neneknya, sama pamannya. So,
Miss, no problem.
Yeah, Miss.
yeah, so the people Egyptian meet with the girl Egyptian also. They will know each other from the friend, from the foreign. Jadi orang tuanya, they meet maybe the boy parent coming to the family of the girl, okay? And then the first time they will say Al-Fatihah if they are Muslim. Kalau dia orang Muslim pasti ngomongnya Al-Fatihah juga, sah, Mister?
Yeah.
If Egyptian not Muslim, maybe not Al-Fatihah, right?
Yeah, no. They say go to direct short.
They will go direct to the church. Jadi pergi ke gereja langsung, tanya. Enggak ngomong-ngomong Al-Fatihah enggak. Kalau dari menikah langsung ke gereja. Tapi kalau Egyptian Muslim sama Muslim, they will asking seperti kita. Kalau di Indonesia itu ta'aruf. You understand ta'aruf kan? Udah pernah dengar ta'aruf itu kayak mana? Nah, seperti
udah.
Ya udah.
Kamar aja.
Ya udah, nanti dulu Mama lagi ngomong di teman-teman Mama. Tuh, lagi ngomong teman-teman nak ya, oke? Ampun. Sorry ya guys, bener-bener. Ini dia juga pengen ikutan sebenarnya. Oke, jadi mereka itu will do ta'aruf. The family know the family of the boy will know the family of the girl. After they are finished, have negotiation. Jadi mereka itu negosiasi dulu. And then they are will choosing mas kawinnya apa, ya maharnya apa tadi, terus choosing about gold. Jadi mau pilih cincin kah bentuknya, ataukah kata dia tadi silsilah, bahasa Arabnya silsilah itu necklace ya, kalung ya, atau apalah pokoknya. Kalau sudah ready, terus yang cowok, the man, if the family of girl will asking, you have house or no? Punya rumah apa enggak? Kalau nggak punya rumah mungkin nggak jadi. They will cancel marriage like that. Jadi kalau nggak punya rumah, orang Mesir itu nggak mau, si cewek itu nggak mau karena nggak menjamin mereka will living in good house.
Berarti kayak di Indonesia ya, Miss ya?
You understand?
Kayak di Indonesia.
Di Indonesia gitu enggak?
Kita
Kita di Indonesia ngontraknya oke kan?
Listen to me.
Okay.
Some girl not all in Egypt, but some girl not like her gold. يعني last time had gold coming high price. Okay, in Egypt في some يعني girl he like her make her this not like her gold. He like her silver.
Okay.
Silver only. Yeah.
Okay.
Because this gold in all her world very expensive now.
Okay.
But
So
she go to buy her silver.
okay.
Yeah, not her all her girl.
Not mass or
Not her all.
gold.
Yeah.
Set not mass
Yeah.
gold. Jadi
Yeah.
maksudnya sekarang because of in Egypt gold it's very expensive, okay? Jadi emas itu harganya lagi tinggi katanya. So some girls, jadi cewek-cewek itu zaman sekarang, now, maksudnya zaman now ya, cewek-cewek di situ not asking about gold. Jadi mereka enggak nanya tentang emas, yang penting punya house ya. Terus pekerjaan men tersebut udah jelas, maksudnya ada pekerjaan, mau dia jadi supir ojek kayak Gojek nggak ada di sana ya, adanya Grab gitu ya, model kayak Grab gitu ya, mau dia kerja apa, yang the important thing they have penghasilan ya every month, okay, and also have house, itu yang paling penting. And about the jewelry mungkin enggak not mass gold, jadi bisa silver kata dia gitu tadi, bisa silver, bisa itu, it's different on request from the girl, jadi tergantung dari request dari si ceweknya gitu. So I will continue asking about this ke dia, ngewakil istri ya. So if the girl, okay, the girl cancel the engagement, the given money, maybe the given jewelry should be back to the man or no, like that. Jadi pertanyaan saya biar teman-teman tahu semua.
If her girl, he will have cancel, he will return her any money, any thing this man give to her.
Okay.
Return for him.
Okay.
Return for him.
Jadi kalau yang cancel si cewek katanya, jadi apapun yang sudah diberikan kepada si cewek, sekecil-kecilnya itu harus dikembalikan ke cowok. Sama ya, the same with Indonesian. Ya kan, sama dengan kita, negara kita kan. The same with Indonesian. How about the man? If the man doesn't like the girl, maybe see the girl knows the girl like this, like me now, like that. Oh, and then cancel. See, maybe my hair become white, already old. Ini aku main dia sekalian. Yeah. Aku kan udah tua.
Yeah. For her man, no problem. For her this. Maybe he will cancel. He don't like her girl. It's okay. But maybe he will not return this يعني if have him money or give to هدية like this, not return. Not how written.
So,
Yeah. Some, not how all also. Not how all, not how this system in Egypt. It's not how system.
Okay. Jadi katanya, he said, if the boy doesn't like the girl, nggak suka sama ceweknya misalnya, doesn't like the girl, but maybe some people, beberapa orang juga, maybe asking again the money, maybe also no. Jadi dikasihin juga ke ceweknya. Tergantung, yani given on the what is it, kesepakatan between the family like that. Maybe if too much, maybe they will return from the girl, also return the money. Kalau mungkin only little, mungkin some boy also will let the money give to the girl like that. Okay. Jadi itu biasanya seperti itu. Okay, one more time. Ini benar-benar little bit about tradition married in Egypt ini sangat-sangat ini banget. Okay. No,
you
because
already. Okay, you already have gone Hadir, and how you see what making Hadir. You can have translation for her girl.
I know, but they will know based on the Egyptian people, you know. Right, girl? Kamu semua mau tahu kan dari dia langsung.
Ya, Miss.
Aku kan cuma
listen to me. This has somebody, he make a big party. You know, this my brother first time. He make a big party in hotel like this, and next time, he will make a this party for her restaurant.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, this has not a system. If you have money more, you make a big party. You make a small party. He somehow get not like had this party and had this money, he will give put in her house, buy her something like this. Yeah, make a small party, and this have some money, put her inside this house, buy her something inside. If I make her last money, he make a big party like this. This is not a system. If same in Indonesia, if I have last money, make a big party. If I little, okay, make a small party. Yeah, like this.
Detail.
Jadi maksudnya kalau untuk masalah pestaan, nggak kayak Indonesia loh. Kalau di sana, jadi kesepakatan juga mungkin kalau dia punya uang mungkin bisa dipestain besar-besaran. Mungkin juga ketika pertunangan aja itu kayak adik dia ya, my brother, yang di sana itu kan 2 kali pertunangan loh dia batal. Pertunangan pertama itu pesta gede-gedean loh, udah kayak orang nikahan aja pesta pertunangannya, setelah itu batal, si cewek mengundurkan diri, ceweknya nggak mau. Jadi ceweknya cari cowok lain lagi. Akhirnya dia nikah lagi, maksudnya tunangan lagi sama orang sekarang yang jadi istrinya sekarang. Itu acara pertunangannya biasa aja, terus itu acara pesta nikahannya yang dibesar-besarin. Maksudnya ada sampai nyewa restoran dan sebagainya seperti itu. Jadi sebenarnya itu bukan adat katanya gitu. So it's not the system culture in Egypt. Okay, so it's based on the people have money or no, like that. Jadi tergantung orang itu punya uang apa enggak, seperti itu. Okay, so another question next. Ada yang mau ditanyain lagi? Okay, Vidya. Okay.
Is there a celebration ceremony in your country? Ada nggak kayak upacara perayaan gitu?
Asking. Baba, every year, like in Indonesia, we have celebration in our country, for example, Idul Fitri, for example, because in Indonesia there is a lot of religion, we have also Ijazah, and we have also holiday for another religion. Okay, what kind of celebration in Egypt? What kind of celebration in Egypt usually in the country? There is Mother Day, there is Izaza or no, like that. For example,
no, not Ijaza, not Ijaza, not Ijaza. Only for holiday, Eid al-Fitri, Eid al-Adha, and في some only hadith.
And the other, there is also Itmal Nasir.
No, not holiday, not holiday. Only two.
Okay. There is celebration like Independent Day like that. There is or no?
Yeah, في some 6 October. This holiday and 23 April. August maybe. I don't know. Maybe 23 August like this. Maybe. I don't remember.
Yeah. Yang Mesir malahan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only hadith. And see somehow for this holiday, see somehow holiday for Christian.
Christian.
This has same month. This has 7 January.
Okay, 7
before,
January.
How many hadiths have before? This holiday in Egypt now.
Okay.
Yeah, only hadith.
So I will explain to Miss Vidya. Miss Vidya, like this. In Egypt, usually because majority people there has a religion Muslim, okay, mayoritasnya Muslim, tapi juga maybe around misal 100%, 100% people in Egypt, there is 75% is Muslim, okay, 25% maybe around 20 is Christian, and then maybe 5% is maybe Yahudi, okay? Jadi ada orang Yahudi juga sedikit-sedikit mungkin ya, nyelip-nyelip gitu ya. Tapi ada, okay? And there is also maybe another religion, okay? So the celebration in Egypt only has for Muslim and Christian. Jadi hanya ada untuk Muslim and Christian. For example, Idul Adha, Idul Fitri. Terus the other one is tanggal 7 January, 7 Januari kemarin itu dia orang kalau di seluruh another country they are celebration Natal, Christmas. Nah, Christmasnya orang Mesir itu tanggal 7 Januari mereka justru gitu. Terus
not holiday. This is Christmas in Egypt, not holiday.
Jadi nggak holiday dia, maksudnya nggak ada libur, not have a vacation or holiday like that free on the school, no, but tetap dirayain. The people there, even Muslim, also celebration that day. Jadi, so in that day, kalau 7 January itu, all people eating ikan asin. Bapak, you remember ikan asin what? Jadi mereka itu makan benar, ada ikan asin di sana di Mesir. So, cuman itu di perayaan namanya kalau in Arabic it's name Idul Nasim, yakni Idul Nasim, maksudnya hari raya Nasim. Nasim itu hari raya kalau kita di Indonesia ini kalau kita sebutnya apa ya? Apa sih yang ada telur coklat itu loh. Kalau Kristen itu Easter Day. Easter Day kalau tulisan Inggrisnya. Iya. Jadi mereka celebrationnya itu pakai makan senegara Egypt itu eating ringga, ikan asin masal. Jadi ringga itu bentuknya kayak ikan bandeng, itu diasinkan itu loh. Nah, diasinkan dimakan gitu sama roti. Itu.
And egg, how is the color? You make her color, how is the egg?
Telur yang diwarna-warnain. Kan ada, mungkin kita pernah dengar ya, kalau di Indonesia itu ada Easter Day katanya. Easter Day itu ada telur, ada kelinci, bawa telur, dari coklat seperti itu. Pasti ada. Pernah dengar seperti itu. Terus kalau untuk Independence Day, hari kemerdekaan, kalau kita kan 17 Agustus, right? 17 Agustus. There in Egypt 6 Oktober.
Yeah.
Jadi kota tempat saya tinggal adalah kota Sita 6 Oktober. Jadi 6 Oktober, 6 Oktober kota tempat saya tinggal. Saya kan dekat Kairo. Kotanya adalah kota 6 Oktober, kota kemerdekaan mereka. Nah, itu. Okay, the next maybe Ulia. Ulia will asking something.
Fatima, Miss.
Fatima, okay, Fatima.
I want to ask about the lifestyle of the Egypt.
Lifestyle.
Gaya
Okay.
hidup di sana.
Okay. Lifestyle in Egypt. Papa, you understand? Lifestyle.
Not a listen.
Okay, lifestyle in Egypt. What is it? Lifestyle. Yani tari gahaya dakhal Masar izay. Konsumtif. Yani pulus suaya, Gadbil Bridge.
No.
Saya mainin dia. Saya bilang, apakah gaya hidup di Mesir itu boros-borosan, shopping-shoppingan, atau ada yang tinggal di bawah jembatan? Aku bilang gitu, dia ketawa.
You know how this same any country. في some country في our area very high. And some area another little. Not have very high, little or between. Okay. And في some area down يعني little. Okay. And your country same your country. How can you live in Jakarta? How can you live in Lambo? How can live in Bandar Lambu?
Yeah, different.
Yeah, different. In Egypt also okay. Like this. Yeah.
So, Miss Fatima, he said in Egypt, the same like Indonesia, okay? Some area, there is people with high style, high society, like Jakarta kan different with Lampung, right? Jadi kalau Jakarta kan beda dengan Lampung cara hidupnya. Mungkin the price very expensive. Maybe also work that we get a lot of money. Kan beda ya. Kalau di Jakarta kan bayarannya jadi pembantu aja contohnya. Example jadi pembantu aja. Mungkin different from pembantu yang ada di Lampung dengan bantu. Ya kan? Pabrik di Lampung berbeda dengan pabrik di Jakarta. Sama di Egypt juga seperti itu. Jadi kalau yang tinggal di Kairo itu kan big city-nya, kota besar. Ya, seperti Jakarta itu ya, kota besar kita kan. So the capital city of Egypt is Cairo. Very high, very di situ semua apa-apa expensive, okay? So the people there kalau uangnya sedikit juga agak-agak susah hidup di situ, harus kirit, ya kan? Like that.
Yeah.
Nah, tapi kalau di kampung, Baba, maybe they are also asking, there is the village in your country or no? Maybe ada sawah-sawah, like farming rice, maybe there is or not in Egypt.
There's farming and like this for planting like this. This another area outside Cairo, another area.
But there is, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There some area. Name example Al Fayoum, Al Munufiyah, كفر الشيخ, المنصورة, يعني بهاي على المنصورة. This has some area, you can have planting there. But in Cairo, capital city, or Alexandria, or you know which country, Luxor, Aswan little, you can have planting there. But يعني some have for high common يعني common have very hot there because Aswan and the Luxor very high for يعني very hot same Gulf country. يعني cannot have planting some planting and have after high you will have it cannot have leave. Okay.
So pertanyaan tadi dari siapa? Ulia ya? Ulia apa Fatima?
Fatima, Miss.
Okay. So Fatima said there is area also in Egypt. Egypt itu kan maybe kalau kita luasnya mungkin seluas Lampung atau seluas Sumatera, setengahnya Sumatera ya. Tengah Sumatera lah gitu ya. Jadi setiap area itu ada area pertaniannya juga. So there is a farming area, but outside Cairo. Jadi di luar Cairo, di luar capital city seperti Cairo, Alexandria itu kan kota-kota besar. Seperti kalau kita di Indonesia kan ada Bandung, ya kan, ada ini di Bandar Lampung aja kan ada sih pertaniannya, tapi dikit ya. Di ujung-ujungnya udah maksudnya di ujung di perbatasan dengan Lampung Selatan seperti itu mungkin ada ya pertaniannya. Nah, kira-kira di Kairo juga sama, the same. In Egypt also the same like that. They are farming rice juga karena the rice in Egypt is very famous. Juga mereka punya beras yang juga terkenal in Gulf country. Jadi di negara-negara Arab itu beras Mesir itu juga terkenal. Jadi
kalau di Mesir itu kebutuhan utama itu kayak beras kayak di Indonesia ya, Miss?
Sama, iya, the same. So they are eating rice also the same in Indonesia. Cuman karena mereka menghasilkan beras juga gitu loh. Jadi so the commodity of Egypt also they have rice, fish itu juga banyak ke Gulf country atau negara-negara Arab, Gulf country termasuk Saudi, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, and also Emirat itu impor dari Mesir. Like fish, ikan dari sungai Nil itu very a lot. Jadi ikan jenis ikan yang di situ yang ada adalah kalau kita di sini ikan nilang, ikan mujair ya, itu banyak banget gitu. Terus ikan lele, tapi lele bukan kita di sini kan udah lele lokal ya. Kalau mereka enggak, lele yang asli alami itu yang natural dari sungai lelenya. Gitu, itu ikan fish ya, fish sama ikan bandeng banyak banget jenis. Terus komoditi lain apa? What is it? Tebu ada di sana tebu.
But not same Indonesia. Breakfast rice, lunch rice, dinner rice. No, in Egypt cannot. Only have breakfast have behind rice, bread.
Okay, bread.
Spaghetti, like this. Pasta.
Okay. Dia pengen dijelasin lagi nih ya guys. Okay, I will explain again. Dia menolak kalau orang Mesir benar-benar makannya nasi semua. Katanya not like in Indonesia. Indonesia breakfast subuh rice, right? Betul nggak? Terus lunch rice, okay? And then also dinner rice, right? Coba kalau kita subuh semuanya rice bukan? Coba makan lontong terbuat dari rice, correct? Ya,
betul.
Ya. Makan nasi uduk dari rice, betul nggak? Betul. Nasi goreng rice, betul. Nah, terus ketan juga, ketan serondeng lah, ketan sambal lah, segala macam itu dari rice, ya kan? Iya. Ya, jadi mereka. What is it?
Eid al-Fitr in Indonesia different from Egypt. In Egypt have breakfast, cookies, any thing with tea, but not eating meat with lontong. Okay.
Okay, like this, girl. So he said, really different breakfast in Egypt and Indonesia. In Indonesia, kuliah bu, ini bu lagi kuliah bu. So in Egypt, they are not eating the same like Indonesia, okay? So in Indonesia we are eating rice with maksudnya pakai lauknya, ya kan? Kalau mereka enggak, breakfast they are eating bread, mungkin cookies ya, maksudnya roti gitu ya, mungkin biskuit seperti itu dengan teh.
Sembilan lah ya, Miss.
Jadi beda ya, beda banget. Okay, the next maybe another, the last, Ulia and Vidya already asking? Ulia already? Vidya?
Saya udah.
Okay, Vidya. Okay, we will listen from Vidya. Okay, please. Miss Vidya, please.
Udah, Miss.
Fatima udah, Ulia udah?
Udah, Miss.
Okay, Indra udah, Sri, Pika udah. Okay, next, maybe you will get another. Apalagi yang mau ditanyain?
Government sudah di sana.
Kenapa?
Tentang itu, apa sistem pemerintahan.
Oke, sistem pemerintahan. Ntar saya tanya dulu dalam bahasa Arabnya apa ya sistem pemerintahan ya. Baba,
Yes.
they are asking about the system of government. Means like how the system of government kan in Indonesia we have some district. Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of system government in Egypt?
System for her government, this has in her country, but different from her Indonesia, because this here in her Egypt or her يعني example her country of Cairo, this يعني how many government there. Last يعني there for her government I cannot explain for you for this, but يعني you know this government too much for her in her area or all her country there.
Okay, how many?
But using her this her government near her your house.
Okay.
Okay. Near her your house, near your address. يعني you living her in Cairo. Cannot using her this government in Alexandria. Cannot. Or in her area of Cairo, في some area 6 October. This have another country. Okay, and في Cairo and Giza in Cairo. Okay, but I cannot using this living in Giza and go to using her government in Cairo.
Okay, this is about car.
يعني near your address, near your house.
Okay, Ken, I will explain to Vidya ya. Tadi yang tanya Vidya kan? Okay.
Fatima.
And the other. Okay. So as I know, setahu saya, as I know from, because I'm living in Egypt, based on explanation and also I do apa ya, kayak kita lihat itu kayak apa ya, mengamati ya, oke. So kalau di Mesir, in Egypt, the government not the same in Indonesia. The same-nya itu about the detail, oke. Kan kalau kita itu there is presiden, kemudian wakil presiden, kemudian ada MPR, ada DPR, ya kan? Terus ada provinsi, pemerintah provinsi, pemerintah kabupaten, kota, dan juga kecamatan. Setelah kecamatan desa, setelah desa dusun, ya kan? Setelah dusun, itu enggak? Nah, kalau di Egypt, in Egypt there is not really complete like in Indonesia. Okay? The system government there only from government, president and parliament, they have province. Jadi cuman pemerintah provinsi saja. Jadi mereka ada provinsi juga yang nggak sampai ke distrik. Kayak kita itu kecamatan, nggak ada kecamatannya, nggak ada apa namanya, kepala desa ya, nggak ada kepala desa, nggak ada kepala apa dusun, kadus ya, nggak ada kepala dusun, nggak ada juga ketua RT, nggak ada ketua RW, no, in Egypt no. So the people living in some area, like for example me and my husband, we are living in area 6 Oktober atau di 6 Oktober, nama kotanya 6 Oktober, kota kami, okay? So the government there, untuk sipil ID ataupun KTP bahasanya ya, kalau kita di Indonesia kan KTP, kalau dia bilang rakam qaumi card ya, sama seperti kita juga ada NIK ya, nomor induk. Nah mereka juga ada nomor induk. Nah itu setiap ada kayak kebijakan apa di pemerintahan itu, kita nggak bisa lari another province, jadi nggak bisa. Kalau alamat rumah kita misal di 6 Oktober, kita mau ngurus apa-apa di Kairo, it's no, nggak boleh, not allowing like that. So this is the country in Egypt. Jadi nggak sama, not the same, not really detail with us, oke? Okay? Nah gitu, itu lebih kompleksnya lagi kalau tentang Mesir. Malah lebih tahuan Miss Dwi, lebih Egyptan Miss Dwi daripada suami Miss Dwi, benar kan? Okay, another, he is come back to the house. The friend already not talking. Your friend where? Already sleep? The friend sleeping. Okay. So the next, udah finish?
Semisal nih Miss, semisal ada kecamatan kayak gitu kan ya Miss. Terus pas mau nikah kan harus ngurus apa itu, nikah itu kayak mana Miss? Misal di situ nggak ada susunan kayak gitunya, RT RW kayak gitu nggak ada.
Oke, wait, saya tanyain ya. So, Baba, they are asking if you are will be married, okay? But you have your girlfriend from another area, from Cairo and also from misalan from Aswan, okay? It's very far. How about the paper of your marriage that you will